Hi, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can upgrade your CapCut to Pro version. First of all, you will click after signing in, just click on Join Pro option, then choose your desired package like monthly, yearly or 1 year, and there is 1 month option as well. So choose your desired option, then click on Purchase, and after that authenticate your uh, CapCut through MacBook and then click on continue and then confirm your automatic renewal and choose your sign in ID and type in your password and click on billing info, and after that you will, if you are already have your billing details, the purchase will be successful.
That's it for today. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share.